Key parameters to consider before investing in mutual fund schemes.
Investment objective, risk appetite. Align the fund with your financial goals, short-term, long-term, wealth creation, tax saving, etc. Understand the risk level, low for debt funds, moderate for hybrid funds, high for equity funds. Fund category type. Equity funds suitable for long-term growth, large cap, mid cap, small cap, index, sectoral funds. Debt funds ideal for stability and short-term goals, liquid, ultra-short, corporate bond funds. Hybrid funds a mix of equity and debt for balanced returns. Expense ratio. The annual fee charged by the fund for managing your money. Lower expense ratios mean higher take-home returns. Past performance consistency. Check 5 to 10 years of past performance compared to the benchmark, Nifty 50, Sensex. Look for consistent returns across different market conditions. Fund manager AMC reputation. A strong fund manager with a good track record can impact fund performance. Check the asset management company, AMC, credibility and experience. Assets under management, AUM. Higher AUM in large cap funds indicates stability. Too high AUM in small cap funds can lead to liquidity issues. Portfolio allocation holdings. Look at where the fund is investing, top stocks, sectors, and industries. Diversification across different stocks and sectors reduces risk. Exit load lock-in period. Some funds charge an exit load if you redeem before a specific period. ELSS funds have 18-year lock-in, while liquid funds have no lock-in. Tax implications. Equity funds LTCG, above ₹1 lakh, taxed at 10%, STCG at 15%. Debt funds taxed as per your income slab. SIP or lump sum suitability. SIPs are ideal for market volatility, while lump sum works well in bullish markets. By analyzing these factors, you can select the right mutual fund aligned with your goals. Would you like recommendations based on a specific investment objective? Subscribe and visit www.mudrafinvest.com for more info.